With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, dear student. The question says a capacitor is made of a flat plate of area capital A and a second plate having a stair-like structure as shown in the figure. The width of each stair is small a and the height is small d. Both plates have the same width perpendicular to the plane of the paper. Find the capacitance of the assembly. So as I will explain you the question that what is the stair-like structure. So actually this is given as the stair, this type of structure, and if we take partitions of each plate, suppose I am taking one time this plate, another time this plate, third time this plate, fourth time this plate, and fifth time this plate. And since another plate which has the area capital A, that is a flat plate, so this large plate has the area capital A, where capital A equals to 5A. So we can say that this assembly will be making 5 capacitors, and if we see it carefully, these 5 capacitors are connected in the parallel combination. See how this is one capacitor, then it is another capacitor, then this will be the third capacitor, this will be the fourth capacitor, and this will be the fifth capacitor. So we can draw the diagram very easily, like this is the central capacitor. Suppose this is A and this is also A. Now going back to the figure again, the second capacitor will be at height D. So this is height D, this is height D, and again the plate has thickness A. Again height is D, again the plate has thickness A. And below to these again AA area is there. Again the symmetric structure on the right side. So we can see these are the 5 parts in the flat plate. So we are getting the total 5 capacitors. This is one capacitor. This is another capacitor. This one is the third capacitor. This is fourth capacitor. And this one is the fifth capacitor. So suppose we give them proper names. Let the capacitor formed by these two plates is C1, and suppose the capacitor formed by this plate and this plate is C2. Now let the capacity between these two plates is C3 and between these two plates is C4. And the last capacitor is this. So there are total 5 capacitors which are connected in the parallel combination. So as we know, the capacity in air medium is given as A epsilon 0 divided by this. First of all, we are taking C1 and C2 as they are equal. So this expression will be epsilon 0 into small a divided by d, and in place of d we are taking this d, and this d. So the total distance between these two plates and between these two plates is equal to 3d. Therefore we are taking it here 3d. Now as capital A is equal to 5a, therefore A is equal to capital A divided by 5. Hence, we may take the final expressions for C1 and C2 as C1 equal to C2 equal to epsilon 0 divided by 3D, and in place of this A we can take A by 5, capital A by 5, which is given us in the question. This is equation number 1. Remember that these are two capacitors. Now to calculate the capacity of other two capacitors such as C3 and C4, we can see the distance between C3 and C4, the plates and the bottom plate is 2D. Therefore, we can write again C3 is equal to C4 equal to epsilon 0 divided by 2D into capital A by 5. This is equation number 2. Now remains the central capacitor C5, and in which the height is small d. So therefore we can take the capacity of fifth capacitor as epsilon 0 into A divided by only d, and for this A again we can put capital A upon 5. So this is capital A upon 5d. This is equation number 3. Now as we know that whenever the capacitors are connected in parallel combination, they are just added. So we can write C1 plus C2 plus C3 plus C4 plus C5. But these two capacitors and these two capacitors are identical. So we can write here 2C1 plus 2C3 plus C5. Now putting the value of C1 or C2, check this. This is 3 5s are 15. And in this case 2 5s are 10. So we can put here in place of C1 we can put this is epsilon 0 into A divided by 15D plus 2 into epsilon 0 into small a upon 10D plus epsilon 0 into capital A. We can take common, so epsilon 0 into capital A divided by 5D is common. So inside the bracket we have 2 by 3 plus 2 by 2 plus 1. So this is also 1. Hence we get the final answer as epsilon 0 into capital A divided by 5D. This is 2 by 3 plus 2. Hence the final answer for the net capacity will be epsilon 0 into A upon 5D multiplied by 8 by 3. So this is 8 upon 15 epsilon 0 into capital A divided by D. So this is the final answer for the capacity. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.